So, Donald greetings. I will be explaining our final project, the grade management system. Ginawa namin to list our grades para mas makita natin visually and naka-organize siya, and then pwede rin natin makita yung kailangan nating grade para makapasa sa course na gusto natin. So what we have here is input 1 to add a course and grade, input 2 to edit a grade, input 3 to delete a course, input 4 view all courses and overall grades, input 5 to view prelim, midterm, and final grades, input 6 to view grade needed for finals to pass, and input 7 of course to end the system. First, enter your choice. Enter natin yung input 1, and then hit enter. Enter a course name. For example, lalagyan natin is Compro. Which grade do you want to add? So, prelim, midterm, or finals. Input nyo lang kung ano yung gusto nyo i-add. In this case, lagyan natin is prelim. Enter your prelim grade. Lalagyan natin prelim grade is 85. Prelim grade here. Prelim grade added for Comprog. So, meron ng prelim grade na na-add for Comprog. Para natin siya ma-check, input natin is 5 here. View prelim, midterm, and finals grade. So, enter 5. Enter course name, which is Comprog. Okay. Lumabas na yung course grades natin for Comprog. Prelim grade is 85, and then midterm grade and final grade is non-pass since hindi pa tayo nakapag-input. Okay. Ngayon, mag-i-input tayo ng midterm grade. Gagamitin na naman natin yung input 2. Okay, input 2 to edit a grade. Okay, pwede mo siyang gawin sa prelim, midterm, or finals. Pag nag-input ka ng 2, pwede mo palitan yung grade mo sa prelim, pwede ka maglagay sa midterm, pwede ka maglagay sa finals. So, ito. Lalagay tayo ng course name to edit. Ang course name natin again is Comprog. And then, which grade do you want to edit? So, lalagyan natin ng grade yung midterm. Enter new midterm grade. So, lalagyan natin is 70. Midterm grade updated for Comprog. So, yun. I-check natin if na-update na ba siya. Input 5, Comprog for course name. And then, ayun. We have our prelim and midterm grade at 85, then 70. If, nag-aalangan ka, if papasa ba ako sa course na to, we can also check it here. Input 6, and then enter course name. Course name natin is Comprog. Indicated dito, grade needed in finals to pass Comprog is 33.75. And then, if gusto naman natin i-delete yung muna natin, actually, i-view muna natin yung all courses. May mga courses na ako na ilagay dito. And overall grades. Lalagyan natin dito input 4. As you can see, ganito yung lalabas if incomplete pa yung grades na linagay mo. Tulad nitong Sci, incomplete grades, since yung linagay ko lang din siya sa kanya kanina is prelim in midterm, and then Comprog, since yung in-input natin kanina is prelim in midterm din, incomplete grade siya since wala pa yung finals. Sa calc naman is nag-input ako kanina ng prelim, midterm, and finals, and yung overall niya is 90.40. Ang computation nito is 0.3 times prelim grade, and then 0.3 times midterm grade, and then 0.4 times finals. Okay. So, ito yung lumabas sa kanya. Ito yung naging overall grade mo ng buong semester sa calc. And then, maglagay tayo ng para para clear, maglagay tayo ng final grade sa Comprog. We can either input 1 or input 2 since parehas lang naman sila, add and edit a grade. Para mapakita lang na pwede rin tong input 1 yung gamitin natin. Course name, Comprog. Which grade do you want to add? Finals naman since meron tayong prelim and midterm. Finals. Enter a grade, final grade. Sabihin natin 86. Finals grade added for Comprog. Pag binalik natin siya sa input 4, view all courses and overall grade. So ito, Comprog, prelim, midterm, finals, and then yung magiging overall grade ko. So lastly, if tapos na natin siyang gamitin, yung system, pwede natin siya end by inputting 7. So that's all for our tool. Thank you for listening and bye-bye.